So today I want to remind you of how to add and subtract fractions. Let's start out really simple and straightforward, things that you've done earlier. Let's say you want to add a fifth to 2/5. Well, that's fairly straightforward because you have a fifth and a 2/5, so then you're going to get 3/5, right? You can draw pictures. I'd really encourage you that you draw pictures. I'll draw one picture and I would suggest that you draw others yourself. So this will be a good exercise. I have a fifth. So this is a fifth. I have 2/5. So this is 2/5. So clearly a fifth plus 2/5 is 3/5, right? Okay. Now we have another problem, like maybe a fourth plus a sixth. These are called unlike fractions. So because the denominators are not the same. But now it's not very hard for us to do this because we know how to put denominators to be common. So what we can do is we can take the LCM of 4 and 6, and that is 12. So that means we have to multiply each one of these fractions. So I'm going to multiply this by 3, and I'm going to multiply this by 2 so that the denominations are the same. So then what happens is this becomes equal to 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12, which turns out to be equal to 5 over 12. Again, very straightforward. Now we can also do the same thing with subtraction, and I won't repeat the whole thing. For example, if you have a number like maybe 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. Again, you can put them in a common denominator. And there's another way that you can do it. You can just have 15 as a common denomination. And this is 10 minus 3. So you get 7 over 15. You could have broken this fraction up into 10 over 15 and 3 over 15. So this is a combination, right? It's a 10 over 15 minus 3 over 15, which is 7 over 15. So that's something that you could do. Let's do something which is a bit more interesting. Let's say I want to do a question like which involves three numbers, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So these are fractions on different denominators. Now I know I have to put them on the same denominator. That means I have to find the least common multiple of 2, 3, and 4. You can think about it. It's not very hard. It's 12. So this turns out to be then equal to 6 over 12 plus 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12. So this is going to be equal to just 11 over 12. 14 minus 3 is 11, so this will just turn out to be equal to 11 over 12. Okay, just the usual rules. I mean, I'm just doing 6 minus 8 plus 3 over 12. That's what I was really doing. 6 plus 8 minus 3. So it's just 6 plus 8 minus 3. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. That's what I wrote down there. You can also have mixed numbers, like maybe you can have a problem like maybe 2 1 over 4 plus 3 1 over 6. And now you can clearly see this is just 2 plus a fourth. You have 2 plus a fourth plus, I'm just rewriting what it means to be 3 1 over 6, but then addition is commutative, so I can write it as 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6. Now we already know that 2 plus 3 is 5, and we already just computed that 1 over 4 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 is 5 over 12, I think. Let's just check. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 is 5 over 12. So it's just 5 over 12. So this just turns out to be equal to 5 whole 5 over 12. And that's the answer. Okay. Similarly, we can have another problem involving subtraction. So let's do a problem involving subtraction. So let's say we have a problem like maybe 3 whole 1 over 5 minus 1 whole 2 over 3. So various ways of doing it. I'm going to do it in two different ways. One is a bit more cumbersome in this case. I would not. So this way that I'm doing right now is a bit more cumbersome. It's 3 whole plus 1 over 5 minus 1 whole plus 2 over 3. So this becomes equal to 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 because I'm subtracting two things. So that means I have to subtract both. So it's going to be my minus 1 minus 2 over 3. Now I can say this is just equal to 3 minus 1 plus 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3, which is just equal to, 2 plus 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3. I can put all of these on a common denominator, which is 15. This is just 30 because 30 over 15 is just 2. 1/5 is going to become 3, and 2/3 is going to become a 10. That's going to be 33 minus 10, which is going to be 23 over 15, which is just equal to 1 whole and 8 over 15. That's one way of thinking about the problem. That's one way of thinking about the problem. There's another way of that we can think about the problem, which is let's think of this as a mixed fraction. So I'm going to take 3 1 over 5. Instead of a mixed fraction, I'm going to think of it as an improper fraction. This is just 16 over 5, and this guy just becomes equal to 5 over 3. So I'm doing 16 over 5 minus 5 over 3. That's fairly easy. That's a 15 as a common denominator. This is just 48 minus 25, which is equal to 23 over 15, just as in before, which just turns out to be 1 whole 8 over 15. So sometimes just converting the mixed numbers into improper fractions makes life a whole lot easier. Okay, so this is how you can add or subtract fractions. And now I would suggest that you go ahead and practice some problems with your friends or on your own.